right now the biggest issue that is coming is the OAuth is not working for the Chrome extension. It's working on the local host, but the process is different for both of them. So I can't test how it's going to work on the Chrome extension locally. And so I'll have to export it every single time and finding out theirs. And then I'm fixing them, exporting it again, and then loading it again, and then finding new errors. And yeah, it's happening from like the past 2-3 days. However, it's almost done. I'll fix it in the next 3-4 hours and the product is done. After that, I'll upload the latest server code. I'll push that and I'll write this up, get the pipeline ready, and then yeah, test it and then launch it. I should be done by today, max. All right.